Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss how much minimum audience size is required for creating a custom audience in Facebook Ads Manager. Many times students ask me, sir, what is the minimum audience size limit that is required for creating a custom audience in Facebook Ads? Let me tell you, there is no minimum size for it, right? You can even create a small custom audience in Facebook Ads. You can start with 20 users also, or you can start with 100 users also, but I would recommend you to create a custom audience of at least audience size of 1000 users for getting good results. You can create a custom audience of like 3000 to 5000 users for getting better results, because like creating a custom audience of like 50 users or 100 users would not help you much, because you will not get good results from your ad campaign. Apart from it, if you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check out our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit to our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.